Hello friends, what's up? The Dutchman, Ruben Buijs here. Excuse me. It's time for some SikTh with Summer Rain, suggested by one of my patrons, Samuel James Richards. Thanks so much for supporting me. Now, I've done a track by this band that's really some time ago. So let's give this band another try. Let's see. Only 3.5 minutes. Walk in the park. Blah blah blah. 3, 2, 1. Wow, now that was some energetic guitar playing, very fast paced, some very skilled playing. I thought it was okay. Screaming fitted the music well, but for me it lacked a little bit of an impact. Not saying that I could not appreciate the incredible technical capabilities of this band. The speed of it all was absolutely insane. but for me it lacked a little bit of an impact. But in 3.5 minutes to put that many notes is quite an accomplishment. It reminded me a little bit of Animals as Leaders, with singing, of course. But I thought it was pretty cool. But again, when talking about a technical viewpoint, that's incredible, of course. Also some, again, some very good playing, but not usually the style I would listen to. But I, again, can appreciate the technical prowess of it all. Insane. Pretty good lyrics. I was reading the lyrics while I was listening to the song. So, this is, I believe, the second song I've done with them. What I've heard until now, it's pretty good. Again, from a technical viewpoint, insane for me, as someone who can play note to save life. It's always mind-boggling how someone can, when they're playing note with such an intensity, incomprehensible for me as a mere mortal. Did enjoy it, did it was cool, thought it was okay. Certainly interested in hearing more about this band. I know that a lot of people are fans of this band, by the way. So, I think they're doing something right. But that goes without saying. Samuel James Richards, thank you so much for introducing me to this track. Have you seen this band live? What is your favorite album? Please tell me all about it. As always, I'm all ears. Let me know, my friends. Thank you so much for supporting me. Guys, what do you think about this? Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? You know how it works on this channel. That will never change. Let me know. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, click on the like button. Subscribe if you like what I do. If you want, you can support me on Patreon. That will be awesome. Promise I will do this for the rest of my life. See you soon, my friends. Bye bye.